Hello everyone, welcome back to business communication class again. My dear students, we have discussed in our previous class that is regarding letters, which is the purchase letter and sales letter we are dealing. There, the very first one is inquiry letter, and which is to be written by the purchaser or the customer to the seller. Okay, by making the inquiry of the goods availability according to his needs and according to his terms and conditions. And the next one is quotations, that is quotation is uh, reply for the inquiry letter. So in that quotation, the seller will send the quotation to the purchaser, which includes in detail information regarding the goods such as the quality, quantity, price, etc. Okay, so the first one is the inquiry letter, second one is the quotation, and the third one is the order letter. So order is again sent by the purchaser, that is customer, by ordering the goods by considering the least price with a good quality, okay, which is suitable for him. And the next one is, that is execution of order. Execution of order is nothing but sending the goods to the customers according to their requirement, according to their order letter. Okay, and fifth one is the adjustment letter. So adjustment letter is what here? Adjustment letter means here it is an complaint letter. Okay, adjustment letter, complaint letter, where the customer write a letter to the supplier if he get a goods damaged. Okay, damaged goods if he get, wrong goods if he get. Okay, so whatever he has ordered, according to that he get, it's fine. Otherwise, other than that, if he get any other goods like change in price, change in quality, change in quantity, okay, change in terms and condition, if there is any difference, okay, so if he feels like this is not suitable goods for me, okay, so then he can write the adjustment letter. So after that again, he replies, claims the complaint letters, then next adjustment letters again. Okay, so complaint and adjustment letters. So after that, seller send a letter, send seller write a letter by apology letter it is. So by apologizing, and after that he may feel sorry for that, he asks sorry for that, and then uh, he send a letter to the customer by asking sorry for the inconvenience. Okay, so that is these letters we have discussed. Okay, so let us see the formats of the letters. These are some example which I'm showing you, that is complaint letter, adjustment letter, good news and bad news. So good news and bad news means what? The message, the matter which is good, which is favorable to the receiver, to the customer, is the good news letter. So in that good news letter, customer feels happy by reading the letter. Okay, so which gives a positive message to the customer or the receiver, that is good news. By receiving that, the customer feel happy. Okay, bad newsletter are those, it is totally opposite to the that good newsletter. After reading that letter, a reader may not feel good, it is a bad news. Okay, which is not good for the reader, bad news letters. So it may be a demotion, or it may be rejection, or it may be non sending the goods, non accepting the letters, non accepting the orders, like this, so and so, okay, etc. So let us see the examples, some sample I'm giving you here. I'm just giving you the sample, later I'll give you the assignment topics on this only. Okay, so these are the examples. complaint letter concerning wrong goods. Wrong goods means, assume that for example we have ordered 100 Horlicks bottles, Horlicks packets, that is 500 gram ka. If the seller or the supplier sends 100 Boost instead of Horlicks, if he sent Boost, that is wrong goods, right? So like this. So here I am taking example of the bookstall. Here is a Srinidhi bookstall, Tilakwadi Belagavi. Okay, these are the sellers here. He is the receiver, customer, and here we are writing to Gaurav bookstall. Here these are the sellers. Okay, so I wish to draw your attention to the order mentioned above, wherein 100 copies of financial accounting authored by MB Kadkor were desired and parcel reached us on 30th May. But we got 100 copies of financial management by the same author. We are therefore returning the books by parcel for immediate replacement. I hope you will look into the matter and dispatch the books before the end of this month. This is a very simple letter, my dear students. I hope you know that according to syllabus we should discuss. We are discussing. Okay. The next one is adjustment. Adjustment is what? After receiving the complaint letter, okay, after receiving the complaint letter by the customer, this is an adjustment letter. So we feel very sorry to note that the books sent to you are different authors. It has been caused due to carelessness. So we are ready to replace the books immediately on receipt of already sent books. Okay, we are very sorry for the inconvenience caused to you. So we assure that such mistakes will not be repeated in future. This is an adjustment letter. This is a letter written by the seller. Okay. Next is good news. As I said, promotion, increment, okay, bonus giving is a good news only to the customers. The good news only to the employees. Okay, this is an example I have given here. Okay, subject is what? Promotion as a chief accountant. Promotion. If it is demotion, it will be a bad news letter. That is bad news. Promotion is good news. Demotion is bad news. Okay. And then appointment is a good news. Rejection, and then otherwise firing is a bad news, like this. Okay, here I have given you the small example regarding the good news. Bad news is what? Again, bad news is non-acceptance, rejection, demotion, which is not good, which is not good to the receiver or the customer, which is not in favor to the customer. That is bad news. Right? So we are very sorry to inform you that this time we are not able to supply the goods within the specific time. The stock remaining with us is very less and it may take at least 1 month time. Okay, means we are very sorry. We are not able to send the goods. This is only the bad news to the receiver, right? So this is the bad news letter. So my dear students, I hope this is very simple. I know that you people know, and you will write. Okay, but a simple examples I have given you here. So there are many examples in the textbook also. Okay, so after this I want to give you the assignments. This is about the third module. Okay, if you want to repeat me, I am ready to repeat once again the highlights of the third module. Okay, before I go to the fourth module, and we'll discuss after this very important questions, which is according to your university, which is related to your syllabus. Okay, so that we will discuss. Okay, then after that I will go to the fourth module, fourth unit. Okay, I hope you understand. Thank you.